IMS has laid out safety plans and protocols to keep race fans safe, but IU Health is asking them to consider an alternative.
There's a lot riding on holding this event beyond just the social side of it. There's the economic side of it, the political side of it. There's a lot of factors in play.
Butler University's assistant professor of biological sciences, Christopher Stobart, says he can't tell the public whether Marion County should host the Indy 500, but he says we should look at what happened in Florida after beaches reopened as an example.
And now Florida has turned into one of the leading hotspots in this country. And a lot of that is due in part to social gatherings and how we've changed our interactions.
Indiana's largest healthcare provider, IU Health, has gone on record asking IMS to reconsider allowing fans to attend the Indy 500 in August, saying this could lead to a spike in COVID-19 infections. IMS responded, saying their plan will serve as a model for the careful and conscientious management of events during this pandemic, adding, quote, "We have not received a single suggestion from IU Health as to how our approach might be improved."
I can respect both sides of the argument. I mean, the Indianapolis 500 is, it's part of the identity of the state. It's part of what Hoosiers consider, part of who they are and what the state represents.
IMS plans, approved by the Marion County Public Health Department, limits capacity at 25% and requires fans to wear masks.
We're still talking about 100,000 people descending upon Indianapolis. That's about 10% of the population of Marion County. We're going to be increased on one day in a 2.5-mile area.
IU Health officials say they also have concerns about the risk of infection beyond the track, like visitors traveling to restaurants and social gatherings, potentially spreading the virus.
I'm concerned that if everyone gets together, again, we are now dependent upon each individual going to that event, practicing social distancing, wearing masks.
The Indy 500 is scheduled for August 23rd, and IMS plans to continue to work with the Marion County Public Health Department. In Speedway, Aaron Cantrell, CBS 4 News.